Go to www.wooclap.com/en and press Login, then the button Register after introducing your password and email. After creating your account, you have to choose the type of account that you want and the country for the SMS number. Then you have to decide if you want to import an event or if you want to create your own. If you want to create an MCQS, just click MCQ and start writing the questions you want to do to your audience. You can add pictures to the questions and you will have to define the time for the question. When you finish, click Save. You can also create a poll doing the same way. You can create a show on image question by clicking Find it on image, a rating, and an open question, guess a number, matching, prioritization, and sorting, and upload a video from Dailymotion, Vimeo, or YouTube. Invite your audience to participate by clicking Start in How to Participate. The audience can use internet by going to www.wooclap.com/code or send an SMS. You can set up the wall of settings and activate users can like messages if you want your audience to see the questions and messages from the others. You can export results to Excel.